Shaka's crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back again with another share for my inspiration from Lisa Mears with the Stamps of Life card kit club. I don't remember what month this is from, but it's probably from the summer just because it has to do with ice cream. So I'm just going to show you the cards that I made. Here they are. That one. Two of these. Two of these. Just says, no one deserves a happier birthday than you. There's the other one. It's March 2019 Stamp Club. And so that's where I got this. See this one? That's the inspiration I got. It's the exact same thing. And then, let me see. I think that's the only one so far that I showed you. Yeah. And then we got these two. And then these two. And this here was my inspiration for this one. And then these two. And these two. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed my little video and hope you guys come back for more. Have a crafty day. Shakas to the next video. Shakas.